Hello guys, in this project we make series and parallel connection. Now write the project name. Here you can write the project name series and parallel connection with LED. Now search the component, select LED. I take 4 LED. I have taken 4 LED and take one resistance. First we make series connection and take 9 volt battery. Search battery. Search here for battery. Battery. There is a 9 volt battery. Here you can put it. Now connect the circuit. Series connection. Now resistance connect to the negative of the battery. Here you connect it. Then select black color. And second pin of resistance connect to the negative of the battery, cathode of the LED. Cathode of the LED. In series connection, we will pass the supply from one LED to second LED. Here you can see one LED to second LED. Second LED pass to third LED, and third LED pass to fourth LED. The voltage will be divided from 1, 2, 3, 4. And last anode pin connect to the positive of the battery. Now change the value of resistance. Click on the resistance and type 100 ohm. Resistance decrease the flow of current. Now start simulate. Here you see the voltage will be converting from 1 LED, 2 LED, 4 LED will be converted from 9 volt. Here this is a series connection. Now we make parallel connection. Then select one battery. Here I taken one battery and select 4 LED. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In parallel connection, all LED work on same voltage, 9 volt voltage, not convert the voltage. Now connect 4 resistance, 2, 3, 4. Every resistance connect to the cathode pin of battery, the negative pin of the battery. All resistance connect to the negative of the battery. And color will be black. Negative wire color black. Now every resistance connect to the second pin of the resistance connect to the cathode of the LED. Cathode of the LED. Now color also change, black color. Negative wire denote to black wire. Now positive cathode anode pin connect to the positive of the battery. all LED connect to the positive of the LED battery. Now circuit will completed. This is a series connection and this is a parallel connection. Start simulate. Here you see LED brightness is so low because resistance value is so high. Now change the value of resistance. Click on the resistance and type 330 ohm. 330 ohm. 330. Now this one is also 330. 330 ohm. Now start simulate. This indicates the value of resistance is so low. This pin indicates the value of resistance is so low. Now stop the simulation and change the value of resistance. Here you can write 400 ohm. Now start simulate and LED will be glow. Now use the comment box and type here series connection. And another I take parallel connection. Now start simulate. In this series connection, the 9 volt be divide the voltage of 1, 2 and 3 and 4. In parallel connection, the 9 volt will not divided. Every LED connect to the 9 volt. Now video is completed. See the next project.